Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the search engine in your Microsoft Edge from Bing to Google. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first thing that we need to do is we need to run our Microsoft Edge. Okay? So once you have opened it, expand it first. And here, look at the upper right side of your screen. You can see there are three dots. Click on it and the moment you click on it, just simply scroll down and go with settings. Okay, so once you're being redirected here at the settings of Microsoft Edge, you need to use this search toolbar and search for search engine. Okay, so once you've typed it, wait for the results to appear. So let me just edit here since I have typo while typing. Okay, so it is search engine, and the moment you click on enter, you would be able to see a result here, which is highlighted with a yellow mark, which is address bar and search, manage search suggestions and search engine used in the address bar. Okay, click this forward arrow, and there you would be able to see three options. You need to proceed to the very first one, which is search engine used in the address bar, which what we are looking for. And here you need to click this down arrow, and there you can go with Google. So the moment you've set it, just have to close this window and relaunch your Microsoft Edge again. Okay, so there you have just successfully set your Google as your search engine. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.